Imagine landing in a new country with zero visa stress, no embassy lines, no rejections, just your Jamaican passport and open borders. In 2026, 7 countries are rolling out the red carpet for Jamaicans, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you can go, how long you can stay, and why Jamaica is being prioritized. Stay till the end. Number 7 is a hidden paradise most Jamaicans don't even know about. Country number 7, Singapore. Let's start with a country that screams opportunity. Singapore. Visa-free stay, 30 days. Entry requirements, valid passport, 6 months, return ticket. Why Singapore loves Jamaica? Strong diplomatic ties since 1975. This isn't just any Asian country. This is the financial powerhouse of Southeast Asia. Gardens by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, a city where the future is now. Picture this. You land at Changi Airport, rated the world's best, and you walk straight through immigration. No questions, no stress, just 30 days of pure potential. Whether you're exploring business opportunities, experiencing mind-blowing architecture, or tasting food from 50 different cultures in one hawker center, Singapore treats Jamaicans with respect.